Please explain some common misconceptions and myths surrounding plastic surgery.
Well, there is no end to the amount of misconception and myths about plastic surgery. Sometimes we tend to read more negative media rather than positive media when it comes to plastic surgery. I have recently heard, obviously the most common misconception is liposuction can cause death, plastic surgery can cause death. And that is not so, absolutely not. Well, plastic surgery, like any other major surgery, can have certain unforeseen complications and unforeseen side effects, which we are there to handle. But sometimes, beyond science, no one can predict. In a rare instances, if there has been certain incidents of death, that does not make the procedure by itself dangerous. In UK, many years back, they had done a study as to see the number of deaths in a year with a liposuction or the number of deaths by just crossing the highway. And I think there were higher incidents of people dying crossing a highway rather than dying of cosmetic surgery. So that clears up one thing. It is not dangerous. It is safe. One has to research the surgeon that they are going to, who's going to perform the procedure of them. Is it a good hospital? Is it a good operating theater? Is the surgeon experienced in that particular procedure you are going for? And do they have a good advanced latest technology? So when you do the right research and go to the right doctor, as far as possible, you will not have complications in plastic surgery. There are a lot of myths about which celebrity has done which cosmetic procedure. Recently, Miley Cyrus seems to be in the news, and it looks like she's done a lot of sculpting on her face. Well, one of the myths said that she's done buccal fat removal procedure. It's highly likely that she has done, but also why not leave the celebrities aside and allow them to do what they need to for their life? Plastic surgery at the end of the day is a personal desire. It is how you perceive yourself, how you look at yourself. And if one wants to do a particular procedure to look in a certain way, or tweak a certain feature, whether it's the face or the body, they should be allowed to do it without any judgment. And if we look at Miley Cyrus, yes, I feel it's not just the buccal fat removal procedure she could have done. She's also lost a lot of weight. And I feel we are seeing a big transition in her from a Hannah Montana look to now what she is while winning the Grammy. And she's also done a lot of athletic toning to her body. So I guess toning your body, losing weight can also bring about a change in your face and jawline structure. So there are so many myths about, celebrities. There are myths about whether it is dangerous, whether it is safe. I think it's all about doing the right research, going to the right doctor for your cosmetic surgeons. I would honestly say there are a lot of small time beauty clinics today, just flourishing all over the place. And people are going to these small beauty clinics which do not have certified medical professions and doing treatments and getting a lot of complications for the fact that cheaper treatments are available there. So I think you must find the right doctor who has the both certified medical degree. And if you're doing a plastic cosmetic surgery, then find a certified plastic surgeon.
What is the difference between cosmetologist and a cosmetic surgeon?
So this is one of the commonest myths or misconceptions people have. When people meet me and I say I'm a plastic surgeon and a cosmetic surgeon, they say, are you a cosmetologist? No, absolutely not. A cosmetologist is someone who has completed their dermatology degree, has done MD dermatology, and further specializes in aesthetic skin issues, medical skin aesthetics. So they can be called a cosmetologist or a dermatologist who also practices medical skin aesthetics, and that person is called as a cosmetologist. Whereas a cosmetic surgeon is a surgeon who performs surgeries and is someone who has completed their plastic surgical degree. Me as a plastic surgeon, I had to first complete my master's in general surgery and then super specialize in plastic surgery to perform actual surgeries. That's another funny thing. When I say I'm a plastic surgeon, they ask me, do I really perform surgeries? So yes, I do perform surgeries. And in plastic surgery, I mainly focus on plastic cosmetic surgery. So a cosmetic surgeon is someone who does the surgeries, whereas a cosmetologist is someone who takes care of your medical skin aesthetics, like lasers, medi-spa, medi-facials, Botox fillers, etc.